In this amazing movie, Same Kind of Different as Me, Ron and Debbie find themselves volunteering. Debbie is very much the lead here, and Ron really struggles with what he learned from his dad about the judgment of people who have no money or people who are different ethnicity than Ron is. And we see Ron grow and learn about himself and learn about other people through this movie in some miraculous ways. Where in your life do you have judgment against people? Maybe for their money, maybe for their health, maybe for how they look, maybe for what you think they have. Again, very seldom are things the way they appear. How can you find out more about the people that you love and not make assumptions? I'm hoping you'll comment and share. I'm very interested in hearing your stories.